What's up guys, Knife Fanatic here. Hope all of y'all are having an amazing day as always. Today we're going to be checking out a knife from KA-BAR, and this is my first ever KA-BAR that I've ever had or bought. So this is the Snoddy Big Boss. It's a fixed blade, and I believe they're going to be discontinuing this knife if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to try to leave a link down in the description, but I got this directly from KA-BAR's website. It was 55 bucks, and I've seen this retail for like close to 200, and then now they're starting to go for like 140, 150. Some places are selling it for like 80 bucks, which are other retailers, but I believe they're doing a kind of closing sale on these guys, so I thought, might as well get one before they completely run out. So here it looks like we have some extra scales, and I believe these are Zytel scales. Really nice deep purple scales here. Set that to the side. Really nice leather sheath here. Whoops. Some of that just kind of rubbed off, but oh well. Yeah, it feels nice. I like the holes here so you can have some different mounting options. What is this? Schmuckatelli's Co. Nice little lanyard bead there. Let's go ahead and kind of take a look at this and see what we got. Just their logo, I guess. Nice little bead. And the knife, guys. So this is a pretty large fixed blade. Got a nice, tall S35VN drop point blade. Very nice swedge on top. And wow, this stonewash finish is really nice. I'm loving it. Really nice kind of reflective stonewash. Nice polished stonewash, I guess you could say. We got Zytel handles, KA-BAR's information right there, their logo. S35VN. Nothing on this side. Full tank construction. And it's a pretty beefy knife. I mean, this I think would make a great kind of camping knife. You can do a lot with it. Wow, this feels pretty sharp too. Nice sharpening choil and plunge grind. Done very well. Pretty substantial blade stock there. Nice tip. But I really like the Zytel handles. Pretty comfortable. Very neutral type handle grip there. But it feels really good in the hands. You can choke up and get right behind that edge there for some push cuts. I would probably add a lanyard here and make it to where the lanyard would go around my wrist so I can kind of hang on to it back here, because I feel like you could definitely use this kind of as like a small chopper, do some light work, nothing crazy, but yeah, definitely like hanging on back here, because you can see it's kind of curved back here. Definitely hang on like that with the lanyard around your wrist and do some light chopping. But yeah, this feels really good. S35VN is a fantastic steel for any type of outdoors, bushcraft, survival scenario. pretty nice. I'd say medium to tall flat grind here. Let's go ahead and put this in the sheath here. Oh wow, it feels really nice. Let's see. And I think the blue and brown look really good together. Let's take a look at these purple scales. Man, I really dig this deep purple. It looks really nice. Might throw those on. But yeah, you can grab like all the way here and then pull it out and you're ready to use it. So that's really nice. The leather is really soft, feels good. All right, guys, well, let me know what y'all think. If y'all have one of these, any experiences y'all have had with these, that'd be cool. Leave a comment down in the section below. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Knife Fanatic out. Peace.